What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if y'all have seen the other video where I talked about if I should go pick up this car because the deal was right and I kind of need some parts off of it, well, we just arrived where this car is located, and we have an empty car trailer back there. We got Steven and Hakeem. Thank you guys for doing this for me, and we're about to get to the house, about to show you guys the car. It is a CRX, and we'll explain a little bit more, but once we get there, I want to show you guys the car and get the car situated and all that, and then we'll talk about this car, what we're going to be doing with it on our way back home. So in a few minutes here, we're gonna pull up. All right, guys, so we just pulled up. We just checked out the CRX. It looks good. I mean, we're totally buying it. The car is ready to be worked on, and what we have to do right now, we're going to throw the trailing arms onto the car and just get it rollable. I do have my own wheels in the trunk of the truck, and we're going to get it on the floor and get it out of here onto the trailer with ease instead of using a jack, right? So we're out here with, what's your name again, bro?
Jim.
Yeah. Jim's brother's house. And he's actually the one selling the car. Yeah. So he hit me up because I posted up looking for an SIR hood, and he sent me a picture of this car with the SIR hood, USDM style, and actually wanted to buy this hood for the white car, but you know, I couldn't just buy the hood. I had to buy the car, and we negotiated a price. He was okay with it, so I bit the bullet. I said, you know what,
he was okay with it.
he was okay with it, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna bite the bullet. I'm gonna take the car home, and you guys already know how it goes. I love saving EF, and this is gonna be probably another project to the channel, but it's gonna be a quick one. Like I said, I'm gonna talk about it on the way home, but we checked out the car. It looks good, body's clean, everything is there except engine harness. It's got DA spindle upgrades. It has like LCAs and stuff for us to put the trailing arm on. All the lights, the lamps, they're all here. The hood has a scratch, but I am going to sand this thing down and give it a good clear coat. It doesn't come with the wheels. It has half interior. This car was a race car, so it doesn't have the carpet. The back end of the car, it is cut a little bit. It has a max speeding rod traction bar, which is surprising to me, but for the most part, half cut dash, and we're gonna make a race car. So this is kind of like the budget H22 build, except it's not going to be an H22, but it is going to be a fun one. And like I said, I'll talk more about it when we get to it. So right now, we're going to get to work. We're going to get this installed and get this thing back on the floor.
Yeah, you got it.
I mean, I got another gun for the other side. It works. Don't complain about my pistols.
No, it doesn't have it.
Yeah. Huh? You already know how it goes, man. We save EF over here.
Yeah.
I knew you had a game plan when you sent me a picture of this car, bro.
Oh, you know how it goes.
You knew exactly what you was doing.
And what else?
So these shocks are for the EK. Hey, Joaquin, these shocks are for the EK. So just stick them on the LCA. They don't fit into the bushing.
Did you leave them in there?
I just put. It's just gonna sit right there.
Oh.
Yeah. Go forward a little bit. Move the tramp over. Yep.
Okay.
Right there.
Right there's good.
Leveled out.
Nice and easy.
Hold on, turn the wheel.
Yeah, just roll the window down. Straight back.
Straight. Well, there it is, loaded and ready to go to its new home. Well, you guys already know what the deal is. The bumper grill's already cut, so leave in the comments down below what you guys think I'm gonna be doing with this car. Guys, we just got the car loaded up, right? And his brother is actually getting the pink slip right now. So I want to show you Jim's car. I actually saw this on YouTube one day, and he was actually building this car. And like he just said right now, he was building it for fun, right? Just to see what he can do. And this is obviously an EK sedan, right? And on the outside with the hood closed, I mean, it was just a car with wheels and tires. But there's a catch. It's a freaking K-swap turbo, Borg setup, all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive. Fastest you went?
Fastest I went was a 10.4 at 140.
10.4 at 140 on R triple eights. On these tires, driven to the track,
Driven,
raced it, and drove home. And I seen this thing. I seen the videos. I'll link his channel in the description below, guys. It's for sale.
It's for sale.
It's for sale. How much?
I'm trying to get 18 for it.
18K. And this is a turnkey 10-second car, consistent 10-second car. And if you guys want to contact him, his Instagram will be at the bottom in the description as well too. But check it out real quick. Mind if I put this up here?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. All stock, everything. Does it have the full exhaust now?
Yeah, it's got a full exhaust, but it's got an E cutout on it.
Oh, okay. Because I remember it was loud at the track.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after that, I put the E cutout, but before I just had a V-band clamp with the cap on it.
Oh,
And then
just
when I
blocked
get there,
off.
I just take off the cap. Yeah.
Now simplified, right?
Simplified.
Yes, sir. Got a stock K20 Z3, Z3.
Z3, all 100% stock.
RBC, I mean, obviously Z3 intake manifold. It's got the Borg. What Borg is this?
The S362.
S362. And I mean, I seen the description of your video, man. This thing is making a ton of boost, yeah?
It makes about 27 at the track.
27 at the track. Guys, this thing is a freaking street sleeper. Check it out. Oh, dude, this thing is quiet. Yo. I want to start a GoFundMe, guys. I need $18,000. This thing is sick. Dude, it's quiet. You can hear the idle more than the muffler in the back.
This takes a while because the NFA wideband is a little bit slow. So
Yeah.
once it warms up, then it starts reading the AFR.
And then it adjusts accordingly.
Like right now, I think it came on.
Man.
Yeah.
Super simple, guys. Very simple. Stock trans, stock TKs.
Stock trans with the wave track LSD.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, wave track LSD.
Is it open in the rear?
Yeah, it's open in the rear. I got the Freelander dry shaft.
That's that budget setup right there.
Yeah, we're with the S1 upgraded 13.
Yeah, you did S1 everything. S1 trailing arm and everything,
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah.
S1, link in the description below as well.
I still have my
Support.
shirt I didn't wear yet.
Yeah, I feel it, bro. Yeah, I seen all the S1 stuff you were doing on your channel, bro. This is badass, man.
Nah,
Props.
I made my own little back plate.
Hey, Brandon, what's good? Yes, sir.
I got his billet carrier bearings.
You hear that? He's
Yeah.
got your billet carrier bearing for the Freelander, right?
Yeah, and the nice thing is, like, you message him, he'll message you back like 30 minutes.
Oh,
Yeah.
right away.
Yeah, right
He's
away.
prompt. He's a prompt. He's a businessman, and I respect him for that.
There was a press of a button.
Oh, hey, that's what we need right there.
Yeah.
That's what I need right there. I had the vacuum actuated one, but then I didn't put it back in my car when I did the new setup. But that's what I want. I want my car to be quiet and then rowdy when I want it to be rowdy.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the electric one, right?
Yeah, Summit one I found on Facebook Market for like 75 bucks.
Bro,
Brand new.
this shit is badass. If you guys are interested, this car is for sale. He's not in a rush, not really in a rush.
No, I'm not in a rush.
Yeah, it's a fun little commuter,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's a fun. If nobody buys it, you'll see at the track here
Yes,
in
sir.
Sacramento.
Hell yeah, if you guys are interested, I mean,
I'm trying to actually line up with you.
hey, whoa. Hey, April 25th, we're gonna be back out there.
Oh, Spring Jam?
Spring Jam.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna be back out. I'm gonna do some changes to the all-wheel drive car, and then we're gonna take it back out. Hopefully hit my goals. This is already a 10-second car, so I mean,
Yeah,
hey, give me a couple passes and maybe we can do a little grudge match or something.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah,
know.
for sure.
But guys, if you're interested, man, his information will be in the description below. So yeah, man, pretty badass built car. Hopefully, pink slip?
Yep.
Yes, sir. We're gonna take care of that and we'll be on our way home.
3 of them in there.
See, this is the clickbait right here. I'm gonna put new car, and then they're gonna see the picture and be like, what? Car has literally no brakes, no e-brakes, no nada.
Stop holding it.
I'm not holding it.
Turn straight. It's an HF, should be alright. Oh, it's a modified window visor.
Oh, it is.
It's cut. These GSRs?
No, these are DB2s, yeah.
Yeah, GSRs, right?
Yeah, you
What's
don't
up? Will you try and give me like 500 for these or
You
what?
don't need them at all, bro. Like, you don't need them.
500 bucks? Take it.
500.
I'll trade you for the tranny.
Huh?
Bet.
500.
That would make sense. YS1 tranny with YS1 seats.
I give you $50, bro.
$50, shit. I'll keep them. All right, guys. So we just made an hour-and-a-half trip back home. Big shout out to Joaquin for towing it for me. Big shout out to Steven for helping me. You know, you two helping me putting the wheels on the suspension and rolling it up onto the trailer. But we're back home now, guys. And before I end this video, because we're not really going to be wrenching on the car, I kind of want to talk about why I have this car and what the game plan is. So we were talking inside the car. I mean, this car kind of came to my interest like a couple of days ago, and I kind of been just, you know, throwing it around of what I was going to do with it. Originally, like I mentioned, I wanted to buy for the hood, but Yang didn't want to part out the hood, so I opted to buy the whole car without the wheels. I got it for a super great deal, and I couldn't pass it up. And you guys already know I love 7EF whenever I can, if time and place permit. Now, mind you guys, I got like a million cars here at the house, but you know, hopefully this is not a long-term project, so I figured let's build it. I'm gonna build it, not part it all the way out. Maybe race it, and then I'm gonna put it up for sale. So the game plan with this car is I'm still gonna take the hood, I'm gonna clean it up probably in a different video, guys, and I'm gonna use this hood on this car. That was the whole plan. This hood on this car. I got 5 other hoods I can throw on this car, probably paint match it or something. I don't know, it's not my concern as of right now, but I just kind of went through the whole car to figure out all the wiring and stuff, and everything looks like freaking good. So my focus is going to shift onto this car for the next couple of weeks. The goal is this car is not going to go to track on the 25th, that car is, and I'm still trying to go 10s in this car. So the goal is with this car is I'm gonna assemble a motor together. I went through like in my head what I have in the storage and stuff like that to put this thing together. All the motor mounts, the shift linkage, I think I have about 90% of the stuff. So I'm gonna do a simple setup in this car. Hey, simple setup in the car. And then you know what I'm saying, we're gonna take it to the dyno and to the track. You guys know what we do with our cars, and then it's gonna be posted up for sale. Now I know some of you guys may think, oh, another CRX, another repetitive build, videos and stuff like that, but you guys got to understand, like, outside of, you know, working on my cars, customers' cars and stuff like that, it's still a business for me to like make income. And this is one of those cars. It's kind of a buy and flip, but obviously with my touch to it, because it's a shell. So we're going to be putting a lot of work into this car in the next couple of weeks, and hopefully get it up and running cherry, so that somebody, maybe one of you guys, could have a chance to buy a car that was built by me. Because I get a lot of comments, a lot of questions from people like, oh, when am I going to sell one of my personal cars and stuff like that. So just think of it as this build is going to be somewhat like the brown wagon. You know, I work on it for a couple of weeks, get it running tip top, and then I sell it to flip it to make profit to use towards other builds. And with this car right here, we still need a lot of things, and a lot of things for that car, because the engine that's hurt is sitting right here still waiting for some new goodies. So hopefully with this car being sold after the fact, it's going to help me move forward with the other builds. So I'm not going to get too much into it, guys. Just stay posted for all the build videos to come with this new CRX. And I hope you guys are ready for it. And if you guys enjoyed this video a little bit, be sure to give this video a like. And if you guys want to stick around to see what we end up doing with this car, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys once again. Thank you, Jim. Thank you, Yang, for the car. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.